Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 7th. How are you all? Do you watching my video lectures? If yes, then very good. So kindly give me response and feedback about these video lectures. Okay students, as you all know, I am your English teacher, Miss Iram, and this is our third video lecture of English. So today we are going to discuss topic 4, types of noun. What is the noun? As we all know, noun is the word that refers to a person, place, thing, or any idea. Noun is an important part of language. Noun has several types, but today we will discuss only 5 types of noun: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun. First of all, we will discuss proper noun. Proper noun refers to the name of specific place, person, and thing. For example, Australia, Pakistan, Taj Mahal, Faisal Mosque. The next is common noun. Common noun refers to the any general thing, place, person. For example, dog, cat, bat, sofa, bed, wall, book, etc. The next is collective noun. Collective noun refers to group of people, animals, or things as a single noun. For example, group of judges called jury, group of people called team or crowd. So jury, team, and crowd are collective noun here. The next is abstract noun. Abstract noun refers to any idea or concept, and we cannot be able to see them or touch them. For example, comfort, knowledge, love, motivation, etc. Material noun refers to any substance or material which we use to make further thing. For example, wood is used to make door and furniture, and gold, silver used to make jewelry. Water is also material noun because we can make another thing by using water. My dear students, hopefully you have cleared your concept. So we have an activity here based on MCQs. You have to solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed and remember me in your prayers. Allah Hafiz.